up, y'all? So check this out. This is the final product. This is what it looked like in the daytime. As you can see, I got the and I got a backing camera mount to it. That's the backing camera, so when I'm backing up, see what it looked like. So real quick, I had the engine rebuilt. Let me do this right. All right. Okay, y'all. We at night now, so you got this. You're gonna see my car inside this bad boy. This joint. This is my joint. This little light that fade in different directions. Excuse my French again. Oh, get that horse. Yeah, baby. That's my ride. That's right. Check it all out. It's all lights. All stuff on my car. That's right. This is Mustang Sally. Teddy for y'all to see it. I'm proud of this car. Maybe 2 fog lights. Back up and appreciate it. Okay, here's the last one. This is Fame has got him a new car, a new Mustang. I traded in this, restoring it and customizing and restoring it. New 4 tires. All 4 tires. Serious bump off. Then I got the fog lights up for another $5,000. Check this out. This is I got the high performance coil here to give it more power. So this is like a boat. Can't let this out. But you're gonna see this. I'm gonna stop this video here, so wait till you see it. I can show you what it looked like when I first bought it without all this stuff on it. That's right. So tonight, peace. To check out this front. Look at that horse. Look at that back. That's me. So yeah, I want you to get a good look front window looking into my car. So now you done see it in all this. I want you to get that one. Alright, what the hell is down there? So now you're gonna see how there's with all the windows down. My car looks like this. Alright, so I did that. Teddy Fame Mustang Sally. Baby. Take a look at the interior. You know how we get down. But yeah, man, I love this car. Beautiful car. It's actually silver and black. I don't know what it looks like.